Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll talk about how to select your concealer shade. So I've already done this video regarding how to select your foundation shade, and a lot of you guys kept asking me how to select the concealer shade which will go with our foundation. So I thought, why not clear all your doubts, because I've done my own research regarding this concealer and I've been using LA Girl Pro concealer from a very long time. So I thought, why not talk about the concealer that I use, and I've also tried other concealers. So I thought I'll give you a insight about this concealer and how to select the shade of the concealer. So let's get into the video. When it comes to concealer, the first question that arises in our head is, how do you select your shade? And should I use the concealer? Or which is the best concealer available in the market? So don't worry, I will answer all these questions. Firstly, let me tell you who needs to use concealer. Like whether it is important for you to use the concealer or is it okay not to use the concealer. So to conceal your flaws like say pimples, acne marks, dark circles, blemishes, you have to use the concealer. But if you have a flawless skin, which hardly happens, but you'll have here and there little flaws, maybe under eye circles or maybe some blemishes, some marks, some pimples, something. So if you don't have any of these, or if you can conceal these things using your foundation, then you need not worry about the concealer part. But if you think that you need a concealer to conceal all these flaws on your face, then you have to go ahead and use the concealer. Like it's a must, because concealer instantly brightens up the dark areas of your face, like under eye circles, around the mouth, around the nose, all these regions you'll have say uneven skin tone. So it corrects all these flaws on your face. Secondly, how to select your shade. While selecting the shade, always go for either the shade which is same as your foundation or a shade darker than your foundation. I would personally suggest go for a darker shade than your foundation. You know why? Because when you go for a lighter shade, that kind of stands out on your face, which is not good. First of all, you're trying to conceal all your flaws on your face, but that stands out on your face, then it's a big blunder. So which concealer to use? As I've already mentioned, LA Girl Pro Concealer is one of the best concealers available in the market. There are so many other brands, like I use Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I do not personally suggest for you to go for that concealer, because this is one of the best concealers used by the professionals. So the shades available in this particular concealer range is amazing. Like they have almost all the shades available for all the skin types. There are two types of products under LA Girl Pro Concealer. So first thing is LA Girl Pro Conceal, like normal concealer, and LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Corrector. So there are two types. One is the concealer itself, the other one is the color corrector. So in color corrector, there are three variants. One is orange corrector, green corrector, and yellow corrector. But when it comes to concealer, they have made our life so easy, guys, because there are 39 total shades available under LA Girl Pro Concealer. But out of that, the best sellers are 8 shades. Out of 8 shades, if you are falling under fair category, go for creamy beige or natural. If you fall under medium complexion category, then go for medium beige. And if you are dusky complexion, then go for warm honey. You can go ahead and select your shade based on your complexion. As I've already mentioned, you should go for one shade darker than your foundation. The best sellers under the corrector, like I told you, there are two variants. One is corrector and the other one is concealer itself. So under corrector, there are three popular products, like three best sellers. One is orange, the other one is yellow, and the third one is green. Orange is for dark spots. Like if you have too many dark spots, then you can go ahead and buy orange. If you have dark circles, then you can go for yellow corrector. If you have pimples, you can go for green corrector, which will neutralize that redness. So these are three correctors that you should be selecting from. So, and one more thing, guys, this video is not sponsored. Since I've been using this product from a very long time, I can't resist myself from raving about this product. I have also tried other concealers, but this seems more appealing and convincing on your skin. So go ahead and buy this concealer without any doubt. Next, how to apply concealer. This is like my favorite part, just to demonstrate, how exactly this works on your skin. So take a little amount of concealer and dot it near your problem areas like under eye, around mouth region, around your nose, wherever you have blemishes and all these places. So blend it using beauty blender. But I personally suggest use your own fingertips as it's more convenient and it does the job well. Then I will give you a pro tip. So before applying your concealer on your problem areas or on your flaws, apply a very good amount of moisturizer, which is a must, because this concealer after some hours, like say after like 2-3 hours, can make your skin look flaky, which is not good. I was talking about Revlon Touch and Glow, and that's one of the best moisturizers, which is water based and it is not oil based. So that's one of the best moisturizers you can use before using the concealer. One more thing I want to tell you guys. So do you see the difference between these two products? So this is Insight Pro Conceal. This is from the company Insight, and this is LA Girl Pro Conceal. So this almost looks deceiving. It looks similar, and people who do not know, who just know by Pro Conceal name, would rather prefer this product because this is MRP for 180 bucks and this is MRP for 695 rupees. So please do not get deceived or carried away just for the price of this product. And trust me, this product does not do the job as expected, and it definitely makes your skin looks more flaky, like the floss just stands out, and once you apply this it doesn't even blend in your skin. So please do not go for this, do not get carried away by the names. So that's it guys, I really hope this video helped you in selecting your concealer shade, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll come up with such suggestion videos very soon. So till then, stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.